Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll talk about tuples, sets, and dictionary in Python. Let's have a look at tuples first. Tuples, like dictionary, are defined using comma-separated values but within parentheses, and that would be a tuple. By default, if you have comma-separated values without parentheses, they're also considered as tuple. So a function return, for example, in this case, if we have a return with comma separated values, that will be returned as a tuple. We can convert a list to a tuple as well. For example, I have a list here. I can convert this to a tuple using the tuple keyword. Tuples, unlike lists, are immutable. I can change the value of an index in the list, whereas I cannot change the value at an index in a tuple. You can see there's a type error. That makes tuples important because when we are running a complex code, any unintended changes in the tuple values can be avoided. We can create empty tuple using empty parentheses, and we can create singleton using value with a trailing comma. This can be annoying and can cause sometimes unintended bugs within the code as well. So be careful of this trailing comma in your code when you are setting up variables. Sets can also be defined in Python using comma-separated values within braces. A set is an unordered collection of elements with no duplicates. For example, if I have duplicate values in the definition of a set, the set will only contain the unique elements. This can be very useful, especially when we are doing fast membership testing. Imagine if you have a million values and you would like to test the membership for a particular value. Set can be very useful in that case. You can perform standard set operations as in mathematics on these sets. For example, if I create a new set, then I can always calculate a minus b. This set contains all the elements of A which are not in B. Similarly, I can perform an AND operation on the two sets as well, and that will print the common elements of sets A and B. I can also perform an OR operation, and it will print all the elements of A or B. We can also convert lists to a set as well using the set keyword. Dictionary in Python is defined as a key value pair. For example, if I have a fruits color dictionary, I can define it within braces with a key. For example, I can say apple and red is my value. Similarly, I can have another key, banana, and then it's separated by the value which is yellow. The dictionaries are very useful, especially when we have large amounts of data and we would like to query some of those values. For example, I would like to test what is the color of apple. When I have large amounts of data, I can easily check what is the fruit color of apple rather than remembering index at which apple is defined, and you can easily get the result. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.